Watch this, it's gonna come straight out at you. It's not gonna be strong, but. Uh-huh. What kind of chunks you got there?
Metal?
Yeah, it's metally, all right. Definitely looks horrible. Why does it look so bad? It ain't that old. Thick, black, metallic-y. That ain't good for nobody.
It's good for the sun.
That's not good. Oof. That's not good for nothing. Something is definitely coming awry in that axle. Slap full of oil though. Right to the number. That ain't no good. What is happening inside there? Ugh. Oh boy. Looks like that's coming apart. Well, hello everybody. As you saw just a minute ago in the opening there, how about that pile of glitter? Yummy. So we got a loader here that's clearly got something coming apart in the front axle. Not exactly sure what yet, but I guess we're gonna have to do some exploratory surgery. Tear this bad boy open and see where this glitter is showing up from. As you saw, it's got plenty of oil in it. Oil's fine, so I'm not really sure. It looks like a gear tooth is gone to me. But the way these work, you have a center pinion and a differential, and then you have a planetary set on each side, which is a sun gear, 3 little planet gears rotating with a galaxy ring around it, and that's all housed in there, and you've got one on each side. We replaced this side 2 years ago. We had this same issue. It was worse though. It was locking up on it pretty bad. This one's just popping every now and again. So I'm not real sure if we've got the same side again, or if it's that side, or if it's the center pinion this time. It's not really clear. It's not making enough noise to where I can tell consistently where it's coming from. So I guess the order of the day today is to get these wheels off, get this front supported, try to start cracking this axle off, and see if we can get it apart, and find out which gear is broke, and then go from there and see where the expense goes to. Yay! All right, John. Well, let's get some jacking blocks and get this thing started. Put them on tight last time. Nothing for the old torque multiplier. Easy. Hold it. Just a touch more. One more. Oh. Right there. Come up just a skosh more. Really. There you go. Hold still. Up a little bit, pick it up nice and easy. No, not down, up, go back, easy. Up. Nailed it. That's how we do that. And there we have axle separation. Now, all there is to do is drop these last couple lines right here and roll her out. I got her setting up on my jack stands there. Front end fully supported. Yep. All right. Pop these lines off and roll it out, John.
Now store it in the back, take it home.
Yeah, we did it. It's out of there. Now, and there we go. She's pulled out. Ready to go. But anyways, that's what the loader axle looks like out of the machine. And where I come from, we call that lunchtime. All right, we'll be right back. Okay. All right. Rock it out. Run it out. Right over there, them other tires. And beautiful. Swing free. Swing free. Move that chalk. That's how you strip that down. Now, hold it. I think that's got it. Oh yeah, that's pretty good for now. Okay, hope right there. Free, free as a bird. Don't even need them. Pick up on a crane. Oh. Don't tell me. The other side. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Something's hurting my hand. Grab these two and slide them off. Take them off. Set them just like they are on the bumper right there. Take that. Set it up there. Dang it, nothing wrong on this side. I chose wrong. I should have known it would be the other side. All right, swing this over a little bit. All right, set it down. Down. All the way. Okay. Craptacular, John. Of course it was the other side. I think. I still don't see any damage over here. No, I see no damage over here. Huh. All right, well, let's get this other side off then. Swing it over here. Gotcha. Up. Oh, not too much. Down, bump, bump. All right, right there, swing that way. Oh, down a little. Right there. Oh yeah. There it is. There's the yummy.
So that's all the stuff.
That's the yummy. Ah, I got the planetary gears. It didn't get the ring gear though. Looks like. Okay. So that, take this off carefully. Set that up there on the bumper over here. Oh boy, that might not want to come off that way. That comes off that way. Yeah, that thing got chewed up a little bit. Keep this, yeah, just like that. Keep those faces together. Mmm. Tasty. Shoot her right up there. She's knackered. right knackered. I like that profile. Yes, sirree. We found her issue. Should have started on this side, I knew it. The same side as last time, 2 years ago. Dang. Okay, so that's bad. This is all okay. So then this guy looks like what? This guy is bad. This guy is bad. I don't think it hurt the the ring gear though, the outer ring gear. Galaxy, whatever you call that. Let's see. Set it down right there, John. Got into that tooth on the planet gears. Yeah. Looking nice, looking nice. Oh, look at the back of that guy. Wow. Yeah. And there's your damage. That'll do it every time. This side's good over here. I think the differential's probably okay. It was last time, so yeah, that's all. It's pretty much sealed off from each other. Got quite a bit of metal down here in the bottom. Oof. All right, now the cleanup and the search for parts. Yay. Well, we had a little visit from the parts fairy last night. In that box there is an entire planetary set that all has to be assembled. All the gears and all has to be put together. New brake, new stub shaft, new parking brakes, shoes. Because I found out that this parking brake hasn't been working because these discs are wore slap out. So we're gonna go ahead and replace those while we got it out. And the next order of the day is we gotta replace this ring here with this new one. I didn't think it had damage on it at first glance, but of course it got a couple teeth back here in the back, right here. Messed them up pretty good. So that thing last time was a real pain in the butt to get out of there. It's tight in there. So this time what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to weld it out, shrink it up with a bunch of weld and see if I can't get it to come out a little easier this time. But that's the thought. So now we gotta get back to cleaning, get all this stuff ready to go back together and get that disassembled. And then I had to reassemble this whole planetary with the new stuff. So that's this morning's deal. So let's get started on that. starting to get a gap.
Muncie's fishing on their ass and they gotta put down.
Look at this janky setup, but it's working. Shrinkflation. Is that what they talk about when they say shrinkflation? What I just did. I had to weld all the way around there to get that to shrink. Look, she's coming right out now, John. Look at there. Boom. Hydraulic puller for the win. I ended up having to weld the stupid thing to it to get it to stay in there. But
Good YouTube content.
that's what I'm hoping. Beautiful. Right. Okay. Ring gear installed. And there's the new planetary parts all laid out, ready to go. So now we got to assemble all these gears and these bushings and these pins into this housing. And then it'll end up being like the old one. Ready to go, all set. So let's do that now. want my hands. Careful. Oh no, did I do that wrong? Oh. I didn't pay attention. Does that tab have to go in certain way? Does, doesn't it? Which way does it go in? Does it sit in that hole? No. Where is that supposed to sit? Oh, right there on that. I bet. That must have to go down on that spot right there. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Now she's all the way. Uh-huh. Working. Okay, now I just need to get that clip back in. Yeah, man. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. She's locked in there now, John. She's there forever. Well, for another little while. Yes, sir. There's the parking brake. All rebuilt and refreshed. Not stuck anymore. Spinning freely. New pads. New hardware. Anti-seize. That should not be a problem anymore. Alright, now we got everything clean. Ready to stick this bad boy back together. Okay. Swing over. Boom up, cable down. All right. Slow. Hang on. Hold it. Down a little. There it is. This has got to rotate. What size were these? What size were these? Go grab a socket. There it is. Nice. Okay. Let's go. she's one again. Solid. Whole axle. Put back together. Ready to go back in the machine. Now, we'll get back from lunch. We'll stab this big boy in. All right, well, that's lunch where I'm at. Oh. Whoa. Help, 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 help. Ah, help. Get behind it. Oh. Damn, that hurt. Oh. God. Come on. Oh, I hate these freaking tires. You're working like against me. Ow. Stop right there, that's it. Oh, ow. Man, that hurt. You didn't bring the bar? Ow. God almighty, man. Jesus. Come on. Turn, you sucker. Right there, right there. A little more. Right there. And his hands are up. He's done. It's done. Sounds nice. She's movie. Oh yeah. Nice and pretty. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That's how Repair Code does it, baby. Another one done. There you go, Mr. James. You back in action, baby. You back in action, baby. That is a wrap on that. Nice. Right on. Cool. Yes, sir. Smooth. Nice and smooth. That's right. All right, well, appreciate y'all stopping by and checking us out. Come on back for the next one. All right, then.